I picked this up at an estate sale in South Texas. Just happened to see it sitting out in a field in rain. This car was purchased new in 2018 by its owner, who was at that point an 80-year-old grandma. She wanted a red Jaguar and she got one. She bought this in Houston. She drove it for 4 or 5 years and had a couple of problems. Wasn't driving as well, and the family took it away from her and took her to church in it on Sundays. It's a supercharged V6. It's got 21,500 miles on it. She took good care of the car. All these cars suffer from driver's running time light failures in the front. This one did too. It's about a $6,000 light fixture. The good news was she had a 100,000 mile bumper to bumper transferable warranty on this car, and that's primarily the only reason that I bought it, other than the fact that my wife loves red and has always wanted an F Type Jaguar. And it is just gorgeous. 21,500 miles, supercharged V6. And I took it to the Jaguar dealership last week, and it cost me a $100 deductible to get a $6,000 headlight. So that's one of the reasons I bought it, in addition to the fact that it's just an absolutely gorgeous car. And if you've ever driven one, as they say, if you know, you know. And it certainly looks like a supercar from most any angle. They're great cars.